Oti ey'emishango emihango ekurirwe omuramuzi Isaac Muwata erikugyenda omu maisho n'okurikiza obujulizi obw'abantu batari bamwe na bamwe aha mushango ogwa More Katanga ogwo arikugamba kuba yisiriba Henry Katanga omuri Kampala erizooba Director owa Forensic Science of the Uganda Police Mubiru Andrew yayanjurira kooti obujulizi buri kurenga 18 obwaba burimu eshuuka, eshagama, enkoni hamwe n'ebindi bintu ebyihirwe omu omumaka g'omugenzi Henry Katanga aho yaferire. Yayongera yagambira kooti ngu bakakora za DNA ez'emiringo etari emwe n'emwe kandi bashanga ezimwe ahari za DNA hakaba harimo ya More Katanga hamwe na Henry Katanga. S022
This is derived from exhibit mark 5-1. That is the swapping from the projectile recovered from the bed that is seized. Bed of the seized. The DNA this specimen was a mixed DNA profile of at least 2 donor contributors.
Nabwo nyuma yo kwerekwa uko obujulizi baroya ba More Katanga bashaba omuramuzi Isaac Muwata ngu Director wa polisi taine mani agwo kwanjurira kooti obujulizi obu bitaine kugamba ebiyihiremu kandi ngu nibenda ngu abakungine obujulizi okuruga omu maka ga Henry Katanga aho yaferire baretwa mu kooti ekyabo rubaju orukutabaza bahakanisa bari kugira ngu buri kimwe nico yoreka ngu kandi Director wa polisi niwe ari kumanyaje buri kimwe ngogo yashoborora omukoti.
Exhibit the constitution brackets management of exhibits brackets practice direction and the first rule says let's read it again. Constitutional in brackets exhibit management guidelines for courts of judicature close brackets. Yes, we cannot cross-examine the experts. No, my lord, even without hiring experts, the fact is that the witness cannot tell us that he has come to a conclusion using an internal validation study that he has not shared. He cannot tell us that the prosecution came to a decision to prosecute using preliminary reports that he has not shared. And he surely cannot say that trial by ambush is a matter of national security. That is absolutely ridiculous, with great respect. So,
secondly, with regard to the objection of the tendering of response 17A, my lord, the law relating to tendering of documents, given in the receipt, the DNA report has already identified the signature and taken collectively. As a whole. My lord, with regard to the police form 17As, they bear the stamp of the lab which he manages. They have bear yes, the stamp of the lab which he manages. They also have lab number.
Bitu na bwanyuma omuramuzi Isaac Muwata tiyahamu ncwamuye bitu yagira ngu izoberi ya nyenkyakare nibwo araheyo okucwamukwe aha nshongeji.